you're experiencing issues with the graphic settings in League of Legends, follow these simple steps to adjust them for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Open the game client. Launch League of Legends and wait for the game client to load completely. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once in the client, locate the gear icon or the settings button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the graphics tab. In the settings menu, find the graphics tab. This section contains all the options related to visual performance and quality. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Review the available options such as resolution, quality presets, and individual settings like texture quality and shadows. Make adjustments based on your computer's capabilities and your personal preferences. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. Restart the game to apply the new graphics settings effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize your graphics settings in League of Legends for a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your game.